Chapter 22, last chapter in the semester, deals with S corporations. S corporations are kind of funny beasts. I'm going to let you read the first two learning objectives kind of on your own to learn about how corporations or shareholders in corporations can elect S corporation status, what some of the rules are. Not any corporation can just elect the status. There are qualification requirements. Talks about the election process. So read through all of that, and then let's see. S election terminations can occur either on purpose or involuntarily by breaking the rules. So read through voluntary terminations and involuntary terminations. In short tax years, this situation can arise if one of the shareholders sells, or the ownership, I guess, structure of the S corporation changes. In this situation, then income has to be allocated in the period of time before the ownership change, and then a period of time after the ownership change. So this example is a really good example for showing how income is allocated both on what are the methods here? They're using a daily method of allocating income, and then there's the typical accounting allocation rules. So look through, let's see, there's a better example of that. I was just added a second ago. Let me go to this operating issues. I think maybe it's over here. Income and loss allocation. Here it is. This is the same example that I just showed you back in the last learning objective, but it shows you how to allocate the income using the daily method and the normal rules. So this allocates income based on the daily method. Notice that even though this is when the income is earned, this much was earned in this period, this much was earned in this period, the daily method allocates the total income from the years based on number of days in each ownership period. So look and see how that works right here. This second little bit down here tells you how income would be allocated under the normal rules. Then we've got separately stated items. Typical, that's the same exact story as we looked about for partnerships. S corporations have to report separately stated items. It's a flow-through entity, so we report separately stated items to the shareholders of the S corporation, just like partnerships do. Schedule K1, it's the same form as used. Here's a bunch of common separately stated items. Another example of how they would be allocated, breaking them out of ordinary income, breaking them out and then separately allocating them. And then I'm going to talk about shareholder basis in the next